Hello and welcome to today's short little video where I will be teaching you how to make a valve hand wheel. So let's look at the picture. This is a straight one. It doesn't have really curved edges or anything, so it's pretty basic. Now, for someone that hasn't had any experience with it, they'll be saying, what the hell am I looking at? So I'll draw this piece by piece and you'll basically see when it's finished what we're actually looking at. So first, this is the middle portion. Let me just tell you what this actually is. This is the side view of the hand wheel, and if we cut it in half, that's what we're looking at right now. So this is the middle portion. As you can see, it has a hole where it's gonna go, where the bar is gonna go through, but this is not a circular hole, it's a square hole. It's a 13 by 13 square. So let's just first make this little circular portion right here, and we'll add the hole later. So let's get into CATIA. I already started into mechanical design. I made part. So let's begin right away. Select the X and Y plane, go into sketch. Try and select the same plane as me, so it can be as simple. So we can make this as simple as possible. So let's draw a circle, and we want to check how big this circle is. So it's 26. A whole diameter is 26. We can now get out. Another thing we can actually do right away is we can draw the square in there as well. So the square is going to be, let's check again, 13 by 13. 13 here and 13 here. There we go. And I was gonna give our the outer portion. So let's zoom out a bit and use pad. We'll use mirrored extent because it's gonna simplify everything. So the size of this is 26. Yep, 26, and the circles are 24. So let's see, 26 divided by 2. That should be it. Now, let's select a side plane. Let's select the Y and Z plane. You can also select the Z and X. It's pretty simple here. Let's get in. Now we're looking at it from the side. As you can see, we have this little part here. We want to draw this circle. So let's just draw it somewhere to the right. Make it on this line, which is this horizontal line. Let's just draw it on the horizontal line. It's already in a coincidence, so we cannot move it up. But we can move it left and right. That's great. So let's check what it is. 24. Yep, 24. Diameter is 24. Now, our other part. We'll select this dot, constraint, and whoops, wrong command. So that dot, constraint, and the vertical line. And now we can see that they are both the distance 140 millimeters, so they're equidistant. So this from here to here is half of 140, so it is 70 millimeters. There we go. We finished this part. It's pretty simple. Let's use this command. It's close to pad. It's called shaft. We've selected this element that we want to go around here. So let's select, right click this for the axis and select the Z axis. And it's gonna go round all the way here. And it's starting to look like something. Let's again select the Y and Z plane, go into sketch. As you can see, it's starting to look like something. Next up, we're gonna draw this. These are the little, if we look at it from the top side, the little bars that go and connect here. Mostly they're gonna be 3 bars going. Here they're divided by 100 and I don't know, 80 degrees each, but that's not important. I'll show you an easy way to do that. Right now, let me just get a side view again. There we go. We are still in sketch. Let's draw a little rectangle again. We want it to have the height of, let's check it out. So this is what we're drawing. Here in the middle. We're gonna draw it. So the height's gonna be 4 radius up and 4 radius down, which is 8. The height is 8. And the width is 12. Let's add 12. There we go. Now let's delete these so CATIA doesn't say something when you're trying to make a change. We have our 8 by 12 little rectangle. Now we can use this command, corner. Double click it fast so you don't have to select it every single time we use corner. Now select this corner dots, make the radius 4 and do it for every corner. Select this, type in 4, enter, select this one, type in 4, enter. We've done this part. Now we have this. We can now use pad. We're gonna pad in any direction you want, really. Make it 70, so it goes all the way through to this part. Oh yes, this part, this is a problem right here. So let me just select, select this right here. Prepare a little sketch again. It's gonna be the same size as this, which is 13 by 13. Let's set it like that. There we go. Keep that for latest. We're gonna need it later. So remember that sketch. Now that we made this, we will select this pad and select this rectangular pattern. Now go into parameters and select, oops, this is the wrong one, wrong command, sorry. Select circular pattern. Now in parameters select complete crown. And now we want 3 instances, which is 120 degrees, it's not 180, my bad. And select our reference element to be this face right here. And it's basically gonna add 3 little bars. Let's do that. There we go. And now we have to delete this from the middle. Let's do that right away. Select pocket. And you want this all the way through, or the vicinity, and there we go. If you look at it from the side, this is our little valve. It could be also 4. We can make this into 4 even if we wanted instances, which looks more like our little picture here, where we can see from the side these parts. It probably is that. So that is a hand wheel in CATIA made very fast. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you liked the video. If not, it's okay. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.